If you've ever wondered how creators make certain words pop in their Canva designs, you're in the right place. In just a couple of minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to highlight text in Canva using the latest 2025 interface, so your presentations, posts, and graphics instantly grab attention. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once you're inside the design screen, head to the top left area of your toolbar. You'll see a menu labeled Tools. That's your gateway to Canva's customization features. Click it and a panel of creative options will appear. Now look for the pencil icon. This icon is where Canva keeps all the editing and personalization tools. Give it a click and you'll see several options open up. Among them, find the highlighter tool. Think of it as a digital marker made just for text emphasis. Once you select it, you're ready to start highlighting. Next, choose the text you want to emphasize. An easy trick is to hold down the Shift key while you drag your cursor across the words or sentences you want to highlight. As soon as you release, you'll see that section instantly filled with color. From here, you can tweak the look. Adjust the highlight color and intensity so it fits your overall design. Soft tones work great for gentle emphasis, while bright or neon shades are perfect if you want strong contrast and instant focus. You can repeat this process across multiple lines or sections, and don't be afraid to experiment. Mixing highlight shades that match your layout can transform basic text into clear focal points, and that's all it takes. Just a few clicks to make your message stand out. If you found this helpful and want more Canva shortcuts and design tricks, stick around for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy designing.